Alright, it's engine night. We got the crew here.
Hey,
Lil Dirtbike, and look who's over there.
It's me.
Mike. Mike came over especially just to put this engine together.
That's right.
He says he wants it to run right. He don't want to be driving a scooter around Jacktown and having it break down on him.
I look like an idiot.
Yeah, yeah. So, alright. I'm gonna just videotape it and I'll let him go at it. Whatever you need, you just ask for it.
We're already missing parts.
I got three more buckets over here, buddy.
Oh, man. Okay.
I'll get you whatever you need.
Alrighty.
Alright, I turned my head for a couple minutes here and Mike has half this thing put together already. Got the tappets in, the cam in, the crank.
Yeah, I just gotta put the little plug back in the cam pin there. I almost forgot about that.
There you go.
I want to put the
side panel.
Yeah, exactly, the backing plate.
So you got the magic hammer, huh?
That's all.
That's all you need.
That's all you need.
Alright.
Let's get our gasket.
What do you need now? A gasket for that?
Yeah, the gasket and the
side plate.
Exactly.
Alright, well here's a side plate. I put that all together for you.
Oh, thanks.
If you want to check, well, yeah, check the timing before you put it on.
Alright.
Alright. It's dinner time here, so let me see. Let me try and catch up with Mike here. He's way ahead of me.
That's all.
You got the piston in. Look at it going up and down.
Yeah, next thing I'm just tightening the base down now. This bolt's always a pain because you can't really get a socket.
Yeah, no, that's a tough one. It's a long one too, a long fine thread.
And then put the valves in. Well, get those adjusted, then put them in for, put them in permanently. Then we can either put the cylinder head on or put the flywheel on after that.
Okay. All right, we'll take a break and have some dinner.
All right.
All right.
Let's do it.
Mike's adjusting them valves there. How you doing, buddy?
All right. Let's see what we got here.
A little bit at a time.
That's all. 15 thousandths. Sounds like we're about 5 thousandths.
Yeah, sounds tight. Sounds tight.
Bit more. A little more.
A little more.
Keep going. That's close. That might be about 14. Let's see. 14 or 13. Let's see if we can get in there. Alright, I call that's 14 right there.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave it alone.
Good enough.
Yep. Alright, and what, 8 on the intake, if I'm not mistaken.
Alright. Let's see how Mike's doing. He's adjusting the gap.
Yeah, there's a little bit of gunk on this flywheel here. Hang on.
Oh.
These magnets. Grind of dust.
Huh.
Okay.
Got the air gun. You want to blow it off?
What's that?
You got the air gun right here.
No, that's alright. It was kind of like greasy stuff.
Oh. Ay, ay, ay. That's the only part on the whole engine I didn't clean or
This place is
paint.
a mess.
Be careful. That piece you're using there is about 60 years old.
Yeah?
That piece of plastic, a gauge.
Well, I'm just holding the flywheel on by hand because you're working on the clutch right now, so
Okay.
just loosen these and let it settle on there. There it goes.
There you go. Alright, we never checked the coil on there, Mike. Here's a meter. You want to check it?
Nah, heck with that. I think it'll be fine.
Oh, we don't need a stinking meter.
I trust my adjustments. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Lightning bolts.
Alright, good coil.
Brilliant.
How's it looking, buddy?
We're not all that far from startup here. I do not believe. So, don't go away. Stay tuned.
Alright.
Put the fuel tank on, and
maybe I'll find a muffler.
oh yeah.
Alright.
Make sure it's a straight one because I already put the carburetor on. So.
Oh, hot dog.
Yeah, a little hot dog muffler will do it fine.
Alright. Alright. You think you got it adjusted pretty good, Mike?
Yeah.
Close enough to get it running?
Yeah, primary adjustment there.
Alright. So we don't have a cup star on here. This is meant for a crank. So Mike is just gonna try and wrap a rope around there. I don't know how successful he's gonna be, but
right. Yeah, let's see. I might need you to put a hand here, Bill, while I give it a... Alright, ready?
Go ahead, buddy. Huh. There you go. Huh. Don't see any smoke, Mike. Need a screwdriver?
No, I think it's pretty good, actually.
That's straight that crank is.
I said put it on a scooter.
Yeah. Alright. I don't know if we're going to get that on a scooter. The Lil Dirtbike board machine. What is that thing, buddy?
Dirtbike
KTM
620.
620.
Check out the video. We got a video on
Do
it.
you?
No, you do.
Oh, do I? Oh, is that the same one?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Huh.
You didn't recognize it. It's all
I didn't.
dirty.
I know. Is that a one longer?
Uh-huh.
Oh, man.
Big board, buddy.
I'm telling you. But that's not what I'm interested in. I'm looking at that next to it there. Yeah.
Oh, man.
That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Alright, well, this thing seems to be running pretty good. Yeah, we got to put a kill start on there somehow. Kill switch.
Yeah, kill wire.
Yeah. Alright, let's bring it back inside and then maybe we'll throw it on the scooter.
Alright.
Alright, we got a little dirt bike on it. He's anxious to get it going. He wants to go take it for a ride, even though we know how to throttle and everything.
You don't need that.
Nah. He's going to daredevil it. Reach back. Reach back with it.
Reach back. How's it look, buddy?
Good enough.
Good enough for a test drive?
Yeah. Alright. You still didn't bolt the engine down, so...
Alright. Getting there.
Alright. We still got to make this little baby chain. Alright, almost there, buddy. Alright, we got the clutch on and the front chain tensioned. You can come over here. Excuse me, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
And he's got the little baby chain on and he's just adjusting the tensioners now.
Yeah, I'm just gonna slide that master link on there. Where is it? I lost it. That's some small stuff.
It is. That's some tiny stuff there, buddy.
Man.
Alright, we're ready for the test pilot
Big
here.
voyage.
Here's our throttle. Pull again, buddy. Alright.
Yeah, it's better than fly-by-wire.
There you go.
Look at that.
Hey, you know what? Start it right here.
What? It's a drill.
Oh, it's up there probably, huh?
Alright, Mike's going to start with the drill. We don't have any lights out here. Yeah, we don't have any lights out here, so I don't know how much you guys are going to see. There he goes. Alright, there he goes. You can't see him.
Oh, I'm stuck in the crap.
Uh-oh.
That's the throttle. Oh, it's stuck.
Stuck. Go ahead, buddy. There he goes.
That's, half an inch worth of
Here he comes.
travel.
We're going to wait for daytime so you guys can really get to see it. Maybe we'll even hook up the finger throttle.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Alright, we don't want no one to get hurt here. Alright, good work, buddy.
Alright, dude.
What do you say, enough of this?
Alright, enough of this.
Mike? Alright. See you guys later.